This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by measuring and cutting. Accurate marks save time later. Once you have fabric and lining laid out, pin pattern pieces matching grain lines so shorts hang properly. Make sure to add a 1/2 seam allowance and notch key points. These guide assembly. Press each cut edge lightly. This stabilizes fabric and makes stitching consistent. If you want a cupcake tier, mark placement for ruffles now so you can sequence assembly without remeasuring. You now join panels and build the cupcake shape. First, sew side seams and press them open to reduce bulk. This creates a smooth silhouette. Once done, make ruffle tiers by gathering longer strips at a 3:1 ratio so they form even, soft cups. Attach tiers to the skirt starting at the hem and work upward, overlapping slightly for volume. Make sure to baste tiers before final stitching, so you can adjust fullness and ensure even distribution around the shorts. You complete the shorts by finishing the waist and hems. Fold the top edge, insert elastic or attach a waistband, stretching evenly so the garment sits comfortably. Top stitch to lock it. Once done, hem the tiers and leg openings with a narrow finish or serger to prevent fraying and maintain cupcake shape. Make sure to press final seams for crisp lines and check all stitching. If ruffles droop or puckers appear, shorten gathering stitches, redistribute fullness, and resew the problematic section to correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.